Well, the death toll from Hurricane Dorian in the Bahamas is now at 30 and expected to rise. Right now, the hurricane is thrashing North Carolina. According to the National Hurricane Center, Dorian is now a Category 1 storm. More than a dozen tornadoes touched down on Thursday as Dorian set off the coast of the Carolinas. Now, in South Carolina, exploding transformers and downed power lines left thousands there in the dark. Officials in Virginia have now ordered coastal evacuations. Hurricane watches have been issued as far north as Canada for this weekend.